Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Hope you all are doing good. If you are new to my channel, please subscribe and hit the bell button for notifications. Today we are going to make healthy quinoa dosa. It's diabetic friendly and gluten free. To go along with it, we are going to make tomato chutney. Let's start with the quinoa dosa. Here are the ingredients. Quinoa, urad dal, methi seeds. Let's wash all together. To wash it thoroughly, I will transfer it into a strainer. This will reduce the bitter taste of the quinoa. Don't miss this step or else your dosas will have the typical bitter aftertaste. Now soak all the ingredients in water overnight. Water level should be 3/4 of your finger from the top of the ingredients. It's almost 6 hours. Now the ingredients have absorbed some water. Now we are left with 1/4 of a finger. Before it was 3/4. I just washed these ingredients in fresh water and filled with some. Now let's grind this in batches so we get a smooth batter. Let's add some water into the jar. Water level should be little above the ingredients. Our batter is ready. Now add salt and mix with your hand. Usually it is believed that the warmth in the hand helps it to better ferment, so I mix with my hand. In case you are in a hurry, you can make dosa with this instant batter too. Just add few green chilies and onions and your dosa batter is ready. But it tastes better the next day when it is fermented. I let it ferment now. Usually I ferment my batter in the microwave with the power off just to create a warm environment. This is the best option to make curd too. Wow, just see how nicely my batter is fermented. The more it ferments, the better it tastes. It's almost 10 to 12 hours or overnight. It's fermented. Now let's keep our batter aside. Now before we make hot dosas, let's see how to make tomato chutney to serve along with our hot dosas. Tomatoes, mint leaves, tamarind, green chilies, curry leaves, red dry chilies, sesame seeds, mustard seeds, salt, coriander powder, turmeric. I have chopped tomatoes. In a pan on low heat, I will roast sesame seeds until light brown. Transfer them to a plate, let them cool. In the same pan, add 2 tablespoons of oil. Once it's hot, add green chilies. Cover it with lid. Now add pudina leaves, mint leaves. Add tomatoes. Tamarind. Let's add salt. Salt also helps in cooking fast. Let's mix everything properly. Now I let this cook until the tomatoes become soft. Let's cover it with lid. In between, keep stirring so that the tomatoes don't stick to the pan. Now add coriander powder. Mix it properly. I will let it cook for 2 minutes. Cover the lid. Now it's cooked completely. I'll switch off the flame and let it cool. It's cool now. I will transfer this into the mixie jar. I will add the sesame seeds which we have already roasted. I'll blend this in the mixer. Our chutney is ready. Let's do the tempering. In a hot pan, I added 1 tablespoon of oil. Now I will add mustard seeds. Red dry chilies. Turmeric. Either you can add turmeric now or you can add to the tomato mixture. Curry leaves. Now I'll add this one to the chutney. And mix it properly. Our chutney is ready. Let's start making dosas. Once the tawa is hot, lower the flame. Pour the dosa batter using ladle onto the hot tawa. Spread it evenly. Now increase the flame to medium high. Spread some ghee on top. Once the sides start browning, slowly lift the dosa. Flip it and cook the other side. Let's fold and transfer onto the plate. Our hot dosa is ready with tomato chutney. Now we have seen the most versatile dosa batter. It can be fermented or non-fermented. I will list the different options of dals with mix and match to make most healthy dosas. Don't forget to check the description box below. Hope you all like this healthy quinoa dosa, which is diabetic friendly and gluten free. Thank you for watching. If you like our video, hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more such interesting videos. Thank you.